JJ.A.C Tech Channel. HIKVISION ColorVu Fixed Turret Network Camera, Model, DS2CD1327G2L, Unboxing and Installation. HIKVISION ColorVu technology provides 24/7 vivid colorful images with f1.0 advanced lenses and high-performance sensors. f1.0 super aperture collects more light to produce brighter images. Advanced sensor technology can vastly improve the utilization of available light. Package contents: installation guide, mounting template, screws, mounting base, and waterproof cable attachments. DS2CD1327G2L unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.